Breaking into artificial intelligence, you will soon hear some really unsexy words, and one of them is vector database. So what the heck is a vector database and why do we need it? Well, if you ever worked with classic relational databases like Oracle, MySQL or Microsoft Access, then you probably experienced one thing. Searchability just sucks. This is because these databases rely on exact matches and predefined relationships. That means one typo or wrong capitalization and you get zero outcomes. Now in 2025, when we're using natural language to interact with our large language model, that is why we use something called a vector database. Vectors are kind of the native language of large language models like ChatGPT that they use to understand and process our natural language. So vectors in general are numerical representations of data in a way that AI can use and compare it. And these vectors then allow large language models to search for similar numbers that are close in mathematical proximity. And as we are not reliant on exact matches now, you can put as many typos or capitalization errors as you want. Your large language model will still be able, through the mathematical understanding of the vector data, to come up with the relevant responses. Now, one big thing you need to understand, these vector databases are pretty useless for humans because we can't really navigate them. Also, they're not the right technology to run something like supply chain where you do rely on exact matches. So these vector databases are not here to replace classic databases, but rather they are deployed on top of them or alongside them to feed your artificial intelligence and get you way better outputs. So incredibly important, but really not that hard to understand.